Alright folks, let's dive into something you might not have considered before. Making money with bronze. Yes, bronze, that ancient alloy of copper and tin, can be your next big entrepreneurial leap. First up, let's talk about sourcing your bronze. You can find bronze in a variety of places: scrapyards, online marketplaces like eBay, or even by recycling old household items. Be sure to check the purity of the bronze to ensure you're dealing with high-quality material. Once you've got your bronze, it's time to decide what you want to create. Bronze is incredibly versatile. You can make anything from sculptures and art pieces to functional items like door handles and kitchenware. The key here is to identify a niche that has a market demand. Maybe you're passionate about creating beautiful handmade jewelry or unique decor pieces. Whatever it is, make sure there's a demand for it. Next, let's get into the tools you'll need. For most bronze projects, you'll need a furnace to melt the bronze, molds to shape it, and various hand tools for finishing touches. Furnaces can be found at specialized suppliers or even built at home if you're feeling adventurous. Remember, always wear protective gear when working with molten metal. Once you have your tools and safety gear sorted, it's time to start creating. Begin by melting the bronze in your furnace until it reaches a liquid state. Carefully pour the molten bronze into your pre-prepared molds and allow it to cool and solidify. After that, use your hand tools to polish and refine your creation, giving it that professional finish. Now let's talk about selling your bronze masterpieces. There are several avenues you can explore. Online platforms like Etsy and Amazon Handmade are perfect for selling handcrafted items. You can also attend local craft fairs and markets to showcase your work in person. Don't forget to leverage social media to build a following and showcase your creations to a broader audience. Instagram, Pinterest, and even TikTok can be powerful tools for marketing your bronze creations. Finally, pricing your items can be tricky but crucial. Factor in the cost of materials, time spent, and any overheads when setting your prices. Look at what similar items are selling for to ensure you're competitive yet profitable. So there you have it. From sourcing materials to creating and selling, making money with bronze is not just feasible but potentially very lucrative. If you've got the creativity and the entrepreneurial spirit, this could be your next big venture. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and visit our website for more information and resources on profiting from bronze.